So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi. If this is your first time coming to my channel, you're welcome. Please make sure you subscribe. So today's video is just me revamping this old wig I've had for some time. So yeah, I just wanted to change the color as it's summer and everything. Yeah, and this is what I came up with. It's just like a brown wig with like highlights. This is what it looks like. If you want to see how I achieved it, keep on watching.
Give me the light, give me that push, give me the bad man thing, give me that push, give me that thing that'll blow my mind, give me that thing that'll blow my mind.
So to start up, you will need a wig head. I got this out of AliExpress. I covered mine with leather because I didn't want it to get stained. And you also need some T-pins. And this is the developer I'm using. This is the 30% one. And I'll also be using the True Light bleach powder. I got both the bleach and the developer off of Amazon. You will need some hand gloves. You will need foil paper. So I'm just going to put my wig on the wig head. This is a 22 inches wig head. I think either 22 or 23 inches wig head. I'm using the pins to secure the wig on the wig head so it doesn't keep on moving and disturbing me throughout this video. I'm wearing my gloves right now because the bleach burns the hand, so you need to protect your hands. And I have a bowl. I'll be pouring in my bleach powder. I'm not a professional, so I can't tell you how many scoops will be enough. I just eyeballed it, took this quantity, and I'm going to mix it with my developer. And I'm using this brush just to mix everything. So I didn't get the consistency I wanted. It's supposed to look like this. That is why I kept on adding the developer till I got something like this. You want to separate the hair, so I'm taking the hair up and just taking like the down part. So I want to do highlights. So to achieve the highlights, I have to process in bits. Like I have to process the small tiny ones earlier so that it turns out a bit lighter than the remaining hair. So I just apply the mixture on the wig and make sure I brush through, get every strand of hair. And I'm sorry I'm wrapping my hair like shawarma. I keep doing that process throughout. So for the front part, as you can see, I was struggling a bit to take a piece of the hair from this part. Reason being that I did not brush my hair well enough before I started. So please make sure you comb your hair well so that you don't have this problem. So I left this hair for maybe like 30 minutes, and as you can see, those parts are already like processed. They are not like blonde, but they are processed already. So I just took off the foil paper. Then this is what the hair looks like. I know it looks so crazy. Then I'll still demarcate it again, take beads, pack the rest up to get it off my way. Then I'm just going to apply the mixture on the wig, like combine everything, like both the parts I bleached earlier on and the remaining parts of the hair. I just mix everything together. So I like going step by step so that I don't miss any part of the hair. And this part where you can see me using my hands to rub through it. For me, I have a relaxed hair, so whenever I relax my hair, if I massage it, like touch it a bit, it's going to process faster. So that is why I'm massaging the product into the hair. Then I'm also going to use my comb to comb through. Please make sure you use a wide comb so that you can remove any tangled hair, and also so that the product can marinate into the hair well. So you can see how smooth it's coming out now. There are no lots of tangles. You can see those lighter sides. Those are like sides I already bleached before I started bleaching the whole hair. So yeah, that was the point. So this is what your hair is supposed to look like after that. So I ran out of foil paper, so I just covered it in a leather bag and left it there.
1 hour later.
So I went to my sink, brought out the hair. As you can see, it was already bleached. I should have left it longer, but I was scared. I did not want it to go bad or forget about it. So that is why I just washed it off. But I really love the color as it is now. So I'm just rinsing off the bleach from the hair. You can see this is the color that it looks like now. I'll just use my shampoo, apply it on the hair, massage the hair, Please make sure you also get your lace, because this is a frontal. So I wash my lace. I also make sure I wash my wig cap, because my wig cap is not those light one, it's just very thick dome caps. So I make sure I wash it well too, because you're sweating this summer, so you don't want your hair to smell. So make sure you wash your wig. And I'm sorry if I'm squeezing my hair like clothes, but it's because of the wig cap. So I'm going to take a purple shampoo and just apply it on the hair. Apparently, purple shampoos are supposed to tone down the orangeness or the brassiness of your bleached hair. So that is why I'm applying that. I'm just going to massage it into the hair, wrap it up, and leave it for maybe like 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
So you rinse off the shampoo. Make sure you rinse it up very well. Like the water has to be clean. You know, shampoo dries out your hair. So make sure you rinse out the shampoo in your hair very well. So this is what it looks like now when I've shampooed it. This is the difference between the shampooed hair and just when I bleached it. So you can see that it has toned down the orangeness, but you can still see some parts of the hair is still like sharp and spongy. So I'm going to give that a hair max treatment. And this hair max treatment, I just got it recently. I haven't even tried it on my hair, but you can use any hair max or you can just use your conditioner. So I'm mixing it with my conditioner. This is like a purple conditioner, even though it looks lavender, but it serves the same purpose. It's a neutralizing conditioner. So I'm just going to apply that on my wig, massage it well, then use a comb and detangle it. So after processing and doing everything, this is the only amount of hair that came out from my wig. Wow, so I did a good job. But anyway, I'm just going to leave that. I did this video in the afternoon, so I think I left it overnight. I watched it the next day, and this is how it came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.